Alright everybody, this is Chris with the Rogers Group. We're about to do a dryer vent that the homeowner states has never been done to her knowledge. So we're going to get into it, show you what it entails. What I typically like to do, go inside the house, go ahead and turn on the dryer. That gives me some force. That way when I'm doing the dryer vent cleaning, the lint blows out. We'll get started with it. We always recommend you do this about once a year, depending on how much you wash and dry clothes. If you have animals, if you have large dogs that like to shed, you want to do this a little more often. But the reason you would want to get this cleaned is if your dryer takes longer to dry your clothes. A lot of people think it's a dryer issue. It's actually a vent issue. Your dryer gets to a certain temperature, cuts off. If the hot air can't escape, it's going to cut that dryer off, and it's not going to keep drying clothes. And heating element's going to turn off. Won't turn on as much, which takes longer to dry your clothes. Alright, also another thing which you want to be mindful of are these flaps here. These go on when the dryer is on, they pop up. If there's an excessive lint buildup, it's actually going to cause these to stay closed or stay open, and that's going to cause an issue as well. I've gone to houses with bird's nest in the dryer vent because these right here are not on properly. I've had 2 snakes inside of a dryer because these didn't function properly. So anytime you have someone clean your dryer vent, make sure that these open and close the way they should.